So we like things, or at least I like things, super simple. Take Batman and Superman, for example. If they had just said, oh, Lex is a bad guy and both our moms' names are named Martha, the whole issue could have been avoided. Or like in Captain America Civil War, if Steve had just said to Tony, there are other Winter Soldiers out there, let's go do something about it, the entire film and the entire conflict could have been avoided. And I love Steve and Tony, and so seeing them fight, well, it could have just been avoided. So like those things could have been simplified, in this video we're going to look at simplifying surds. So we're going to take the example of the square root of 32. Now, to simplify the square root of 32, I'm going to write down all the numbers I've multiplied together to give me 32. So I've got 1 and 32, 2 and 16, 4 and 8. Now, when you're simplifying surds, the idea is you want to pick the highest, or the factor pair, with the highest square number. The reason is, well, we've got that square root. That's what a surd is. We've got a square root. It's a number that cannot be square rooted. So I want to simplify it to a number that can be square rooted. So in this case, I'm picking 2 and 16. So instead of writing the square root of 32, I'm writing it as the square root of 16 times the square root of 2, because 16 times 2 is 32. So it's exactly the same. Now what I'm going to do is break apart that surd. So I've got the square root of 16 times the square root of 2. Well, we can simplify the square root of 16. I've got a square root number line up top, and I know that the square root of 16 is 4. So essentially what I've got is 4 times root 2. Well, it's like algebra, where I don't need the multiplication symbol in between a number and a letter. So 4 times root 2 is the same as 4 root 2. And that is it, simplifying surds. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next video.